Today we're reviewing a vehicle built for big families, long journeys, and premium comfort on every mile, the 2026 Peugeot Traveller. Sleek, spacious, efficient, and now smarter than ever, this new model is designed to make travel feel effortless. So let us walk around this modern people mover and explore what makes it one of the most attractive vans in its class. The first thing you notice about the Peugeot Traveller 2026 is its redesigned front fascia. Peugeot has brought in its new signature styling, a sharp grille, slimmer LED matrix headlights, and a cleaner aerodynamic shape. The Traveller looks more premium and more confident than previous models. Look down the side and you'll see sculpted body lines, sliding doors for easy access, and large windows that give the cabin an open, airy feel. The 2026 model also comes with new alloy wheel designs, improved visibility, and a refreshed rear section with LED taillights and a modern light signature. Overall, the Traveller now looks less like a commercial van and more like a luxury MPV built for families, hotels, and executive transport. Under the hood, the 2026 Traveller offers multiple powertrain options, depending on the market. You get refined diesel engines, fuel-efficient Blue HD options, and in many regions, a fully electric e-Traveller with impressive range for urban and inner-city travel. On the road, the Traveller feels surprisingly smooth. The suspension has been tuned for comfort, soaking up potholes and rough surfaces. Steering is light for city maneuvering, yet stable at highway speeds. Whether you're carrying 5 people or a full cabin of 8 passengers, the Traveller maintains good balance and confident braking. Noise insulation has improved as well. Road noise and wind noise are noticeably lower compared to older models, making long drives more relaxing. Comfort is where the Peugeot Traveller 2026 really shines. Large seats, extra legroom, wide opening doors, and soft suspension together create a smooth, stress-free ride. The Traveller is engineered for long-distance, family trips, and airport shuttle duties, and it definitely lives up to that purpose. The sliding doors and low floor height make entry effortless, even for elderly passengers or children. The cabin temperature stays consistent thanks to dual-zone or tri-zone climate control options. Peugeot has paid a lot of attention to ride comfort, and it shows. Step inside the 2026 Traveller, and you're welcomed by a clean, modern dashboard that follows Peugeot's latest interior design language. The cabin uses better quality materials than before, with soft-touch surfaces and premium fabric or leather options depending on the trim. The centerpiece is the new larger touchscreen infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and connected services. The digital instrument cluster delivers crisp graphics and the layout feels simple and driver-focused. Passenger space is exceptional. You can configure the Traveller in 5-seat, 7-seat, or full 8-seat versions with flexible folding and sliding seats. The huge windows flood the interior with light, creating a bright, open feel. Storage spaces are everywhere: door pockets, center compartments, cup holders, and overhead trays. Perfect for big families or tour operations. Safety has also been upgraded with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, rear view, and 360-degree cameras, advanced emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Combined with a strong chassis, the Traveller 2026 is a very safe MPV for long journeys. So, is the Peugeot Traveller 2026 worth considering? Absolutely. With its premium new design, better comfort, refined driving, improved technology, and flexible seating layout, the Traveller positions itself as one of the most comfortable and practical people movers on the market. Whether you're a family needing space, a business transporting guests, or simply someone who wants comfort above everything, the 2026 Traveller offers great value and a premium travel experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews just like this.